30 degrees Celsius, starting to rain, thunder, lightning everywhere around. This is my deck garden. It smells like petrichor, like that. You know the smell of the first rain on concrete. And I have to say, I am feeling like I am living in the luckiest place in the West right now. We've been having these rains on Friday. Our fire danger had just, it was low, and it had just started to creep up now towards high again. Now we're getting more rain. Like just to the south of us, from the south of us all the way down, everything is burning. And we keep getting this amazing rain. Like, it's not quite enough for the garden. I'm still watering the garden. We're still getting the heat, which means that the plants are we're getting tomatoes. It's August, like beginning of August here. I feel so lucky to live here. Always, but especially this year. Especially this year. Because we're still getting rain. You can see the grain beginning to dry up there. Almost getting ready for harvest. Still green grass in the back, that's not irrigated. It's getting a little bit crispy on the south slope below the garden. But so lucky. And so I basically have the deck garden going because when I'm at work and I have to step out for 15 minutes, or even like, honestly, even if I'm on a long call where I'm just listening and not talking, I can step out here, and if I step out there, I'm lost for an hour. If I step out here for a break, there's lots to do. I'm refreshed. I can go back in and work again. I've let some things go to seed because they're beautiful when they flower. This purple and white is radish, and these are radish seed pods, which are also edible. Sometimes they're a little bit woody. These bright yellow flowers are tomatillos, Amarilla tomatillos. So they're kind of a sweet fruit. Oh my goodness. This yellow is an edible chrysanthemum. These purples that are closed because they don't like the rain are chicory, but it was beautiful, beautiful. Blue. That yellow thing is a tomato plant. Sweet chariot tomato. If you have a balcony, this is what the sweet chariot looks like in a 2-gallon pot. It just drips. It like pours out these little fruits. Do it if you have a balcony, if you have a window box. Yeah, it's good. I'm letting my lettuce go to seed because it's a pretty texture. I'm letting my broccoli rabe go to seed because I want babies. Oh. Yeah, I like flowers that come from plants that I'm growing for food, because not only can you enjoy the flowers, but then you have the plants volunteering growing up everywhere next year. There have been so many hummingbirds on this radish. They like come around the outside there. I think they think it's like a high up tree, and they just hang out and drink. And occasionally they fly into my house and get stuck. But yeah, I came out here for the storm. It has only sprinkled a little bit. I suspect we'll get more rain before this is done. Hope you are all having a safe and reasonably cool summer out there.